name is Tara and I'm happy to be a part of the Jaja Foundation.
We have all style of seafood.
Right.
We have fish straight from the sea. We have lobster straight from the sea. We can throw a line from here, pick a fish in the pot.
Peter Nita, and I'm a regular patron at this place. This is my favorite place once I'm in Alligator Pond, and the food is good and the climate is always right and the customer service is always number one.
What are some of the offerings there, like some of your favorite dishes here?
Well, they have one jerk fish and jerk lobster.
Right.
Yeah, that sell off.
Right.
They have fried, they do a good fried fish, they do lobster, they do conch, they do just everything in seafood.
Seafood related?
Yeah.
You say this is your favorite spot. What time, what's the opening time and
Opening time 10 a.m. and close when the last patron leave.
Which is usually you?
No, most times me, most times.
What distinguishes Tara's Seafood Restaurant from the rest of the restaurants in the Alligator Pond area?
The taste, it's always above the rest. The taste is always a cut above the rest. Even when you reach home, you can still taste the food in your mouth.
Right.
So the taste is always number one. They cater to a large group here, and I was told that they go up to maybe the seating capacity is 120 and they can go up to that amount.
What's the number you usually call? What's the number to call?
879-7872.
And the lady who owns the joint over there, her name is Tara.
Yes, she's
nice lady.
Very, very super nice, and she's customer friendly, and everybody comes here always like her.
Okay, well, we stopped by here from the Jaja Foundation. And we just had some nice fish and lobster here. Really good stuff. Yeah. And thanks for you recommending this place to us, you know. They appreciate it. So when you see Miss Tara, please tell her that we're very happy that she sponsored some meals for us in Mandeville and Santa Cruz for the Jaja Foundation Mission for Change. Right. Do you know what went behind that?
I was the one who approached her because we were at the last ceremony, myself and one
Right.
God Broad.
Right.
we were at the Jaja Foundation, and I don't know why God don't come in the camera right now, because we were at the Jaja Foundation. So I took the proposal to Miss Tara Elliott, and she buy into it, and she's readily accept to come on board and to do the catering for the meals for the Jaja Foundation. And I think Jaja Foundation has been doing a wonderful job in Jamaica, and more so the South Coast, because after Beryl they chipped in and they did a tremendous job.
Right. So here is Miss Tara. Miss Tara, please step in the spotlight here. Your favorite customer is here telling us great things about your restaurant.
My name is Tara and I'm happy to be a part of the Jaja Foundation.
Well, we appreciate you helping out. We see that you have some really nice offerings here. Tell us about the offerings. Tell us about some of the things that make this restaurant so special.
You get good quality seafood here.
Yes. You have a special recipe?
Yes, for my jerk fish.
All right.
How long have you been cooking?
Around 16 years or longer.
And how long have you been in the restaurant business?
From 2023.
2023. Okay, so you're going on to your second year.
Yes.
Okay. Well, you really enjoy cooking?
Yes, I
The
love
practice-
seafood.
Seafood?
Yes.
Not regular food?
No.
Okay. When people come here, you usually treat them very like home, like they're at home?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, well, thank you so much for the kind hospitality. If anybody wants to get in touch with you to like schedule a group coming here, what's the number?
It's 876-879-7872.
Who should I ask for?
Tara or Dennis.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, and we're very grateful that you decided to come on board with the Jata Foundation this year. Okay, we appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, man, I'm Dennis. I'm the chef.
All right, so you're our uncle.
Yeah.
Right. So, tell us about what special approach you have in preparing seafood here.
We have a whole heap of approach, you know, because we have a lot of seafood. We have all style of seafood. We have fish straight from the sea. We have lobster straight from the sea. We can throw a line from here, pick a fish in the pot
Yeah.
right away.
Right away.
Right, but I'm telling you now, Tara is my niece, and I've been here now with her over a year,
Right.
just trying to make better for the restaurant and putting forward the good taste of the Tara seafood
Right. So
in
how-
Alligator Pond.
Right. So how long have you been cooking?
I'm running the cooking from a little boy days, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. These are the flavor. The flavor come out of these 10 finger,
Right.
and anyway I drop the flavor, it lit the nail on the head.
Well, we just had the jerk. We just had the jerk fish, and it's really very good.
Well, me tell you something. The one thing about my jerk fish, don't make your finger touch the sauce,
Right.
because you will end up with 7 finger home.
Right. You leave that with
Because you got to continue, you know?
Right.
Yeah, and all the seafood that we have done here, we really put out great effort to make the seafood go out in special and dedicated cooking.
This food today was great. It was fresh. We enjoyed it, and we'll be back.
Yeah, man, and thank you for, you know, make the support.
Yeah, man. Anytime. One love.
This is Dennis at Tara Seafood Restaurant. Looking forward to seeing you here soon.
My name is Tara and I'm happy to support the Jaja Foundation.
Hi, this is Dr. Trevor Dixon with the Jaja Foundation. I just want to say thank you to Tara's Restaurant for support the Jaja Foundation on our Medical Mission 2025. One Love, Jaja Foundation.